Ever wondered how old your favorite movie characters were when their film first came out? And how old they'd be if they made it all the way to today, 2026? That's exactly what we do on this channel. We take popular film characters, check their age in the movie's release year, and calculate how old they would be now. Take Frodo Baggins from The Lord of the Rings, released in 2001. In the film, he was 33. Fast forward to 2026. Frodo would be 58 years old. Still ready for an adventure, right? What about Jack Dawson from the 1997 classic Titanic? Leonardo DiCaprio played him at 23. If Jack had survived that freezing night, in 2026, he'd be 52. Or a more recent one, Katniss Everdeen from The Hunger Games, 2012. She was 16 then. In 2026, she turns 30. Yes, even Katniss is in her 30s now. Every week, we break down the ages of your favorite movie characters. They may get older, but our love for them never does. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comments, which character should we do next? Would you like me to adjust the pacing, replace any characters, or add timestamps for background music cues?